Get ready for massive market shakeups. Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, or PIF, has committed nearly $5 billion to Lucid, and the company's market cap has plummeted to a fraction of that investment. We dive into the staggering financial commitment and what this means for the future of this electric vehicle giant.
Stop using your finger for notes, sketches, and edits. This Jam Jake stylus pen gives your iPad a smoother, more precise writing feel with palm rejection so your hand can rest naturally on the screen. It charges fast, works for hours, and comes with replacement tips. Perfect for school, work, or creative projects. Check the link in the comments to grab it on Amazon.
Next up, we look at the latest in automotive tech as Mercedes-Benz unveils its stunning 2027 C-Class EV, featuring a massive hyperscreen that completely redefines the interior experience. We break down the features and what this means for luxury electric driving. In the world of media production, EVS is launching Choreon, a next-generation robotics controller that promises to revolutionize how complex, multi-robot environments are managed. Find out how this new platform is setting a new standard for live storytelling and creative control. And finally, we tackle the big question for automakers. Can they turn slow-selling EVs into hybrids? Horse Powertrain has an all-in-one drivetrain solution that could let manufacturers quickly pivot to hybrid powertrains. Don't miss this deep dive, and subscribe now for all the latest. Noi Dung Kai Tight. Lucid market cap plummets as Saudi PIF investment exceeds company valuation. /N Lucid's market capitalization has fallen significantly, sinking to just a quarter of the total investment made by Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, PIF. The automaker's shares dropped to a new all-time low, trading at $6.97, with a market cap of $2.53 billion on Monday, following a recent capital raise and the appointment of new CEO Silvio Napoli. /N the scale of PIF's commitment to the Newark, California-based company is substantial. Since 2018, PIF and its affiliates have committed approximately $9.5 billion to Lucid, which amounts to 3.75 times the company's current equity value. This cumulative investment has been built through several phases, including initial funding for the Air sedan development and factory construction in 2018, private placements in 2022 and 2024, and a significant increase in credit facilities last November. /N the recent capital raise, which totaled $1.05 billion, occurred shortly before the stock saw an intraday high of $10.56 upon the CEO announcement. But this rally quickly reversed as subsequent disclosures revealed dilution mechanics, including a $550 million convertible preferred stock commitment from IR Third Investment Company, an affiliate of PIF. /N Uber also increased its investment in Lucid, boosting its commitment to 35,000 vehicles. Despite the funding activities, the stock has experienced a steep decline, falling 34% over 6 trading days from its April 14 intraday high, erasing gains from the CEO announcement. /N Lucid currently holds approximately 58.4% of the company's outstanding shares, with IR Third Investment Company serving as the controlling shareholder through PIF. The growing disparity between PIF's cumulative outlay and Lucid's public market value has fueled speculation about a potential private acquisition. /N Lucid's CEO Silvio Napoli inherits a company with a controlling shareholder that has already invested nearly 4 times the current equity value. Napoli's stock options are tied to future market capitalization milestones, suggesting that significant growth is needed to unlock his compensation packages, with the highest target remaining well below the cumulative PIF investment. /N Lucid reported a net loss of $978.4 million in the fourth quarter of 2025, with an operating loss of approximately $3 billion for the full year. While the company reported sufficient liquidity to cover operations into the first half of 2027, CEO Mark Winterhoff indicated that further capital would be required before achieving profitability, signaling the need for another funding round. Mercedes-Benz is unveiling a striking interior for its upcoming 2027 C-Class electric vehicle, centered around a massive, dash-spanning display. The centerpiece of the cabin is the Hyperscreen, a total display measuring 39.1 inches, which integrates the gauge cluster, infotainment system, and passenger display into one cohesive unit. While the design emphasizes a seamless aesthetic, critics note that many traditional controls appear to be integrated into the touchscreen interface, leading to some user experience trade-offs. Despite the heavy reliance on the screen, the interior retains a luxurious feel, and Mercedes has retained a column-mounted shifter, which is considered an improvement over push-button setups. Furthermore, the new electric C-Class EV introduces wireless charging capabilities for two devices, complemented by a few essential physical controls, including a volume roller. The vehicle is slated to go on sale in early next year, though specific pricing for the 2027 Mercedes-Benz C404 Matic EV remains undisclosed. Noi Dung Kai Tait. EVS is set to revolutionize media production robotics with the launch of Choreon, a next-generation robotics controller debuting at NAB 2026. Choreon is a core component of EVS's T-Motion solution, introducing a unified orchestration layer designed to bring diverse robotic systems together under a single intelligent platform. This innovation supports workflows ranging from simple single-operator setups to complex, large-scale environments involving multiple robots and operators. /N Choreon marks a significant paradigm shift in managing both indoor and outdoor multi-robot setups. Previously, operators needed separate interfaces for each device. Choreon enables simultaneous control of multiple robotic systems within one workflow. This capability unlocks complex camera movements previously unattainable with isolated systems, while simultaneously reducing operational complexity, minimizing human error, and boosting production speed and quality. /N and the platform seamlessly integrates T-Motion's entire robotics portfolio, including PTZ cameras, robotic heads, tracks, elevators, rovers, jibs, gyro systems, and the cable cam alongside third-party positioning devices. This eliminates compatibility constraints, allowing all devices to operate freely within a single environment and streamlining production workflows. Furthermore, Choreon supports collaborative operation, enabling multiple users to work together effectively on any scale. /N designed around a human-led orchestration model, Choreon ensures operators retain full creative control. AI-assisted features, such as automated framing, path planning, and dynamic motion profiling, enhance precision and consistency in high-pressure live settings without compromising editorial intent. A key feature is the standardization of operational parameters, speed, acceleration, motion curves, and fine-tuning across all connected devices, ensuring a consistent control feel, regardless of the system being used. /N engineered for live production, Choreon features a high-brightness touchscreen, a tactile control surface, and enhanced haptic feedback for intuitive, rapid operation. Safety is paramount, incorporating multi-sensor protection, configurable safe zones, and hardware and software stop mechanisms to ensure safe deployment around crew, talent, and audiences. /N by serving as a single integration point for all robotic devices, Choreon simplifies scalability, cuts down on integration effort, and lays a foundation for future automation by removing traditional interoperability barriers. Benoit Denton, VP T-Motion Robotics Solution at EVS, stated, Choreon represents a significant step forward in how robotic systems are deployed and managed in live production. We are moving beyond controlling individual devices to truly choreographing motion across an entire production. This makes it easier for teams to expand their use of robotics while preserving the human creative control that remains essential in live storytelling. Serge Van Herk, CEO of EVS, added that the launch highlights strong synergies between EVS teams, realizing the vision of a fully integrated robotics solution within their live production ecosystem. Automakers struggling with slow-selling battery electric vehicles are exploring a radical solution, converting existing BEV platforms into hybrid vehicles using all-in-one drivetrains. This development aims to help manufacturers quickly pivot to hybrid offerings amid shifting market incentives and reduced EV registrations in the United States. The current EV landscape faces headwinds, including the removal of federal clean vehicle credits and trade tariffs, which have dampened consumer purchasing power. This has led to the cancellation of several automaker-backed EV projects, including models from Chevrolet, Honda, Ram, Ford, and Volvo. In response, Horsepowertrain, a joint venture between Renault and Geely with involvement from Aramco, is developing solutions for this challenge. Their new offering, the X-Range C15 Direct Drive, is an all-in-one hybrid drivetrain designed to integrate seamlessly with existing BEV platforms, allowing automakers to transition to hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or range-extended electric vehicle (REV) configurations with minimal redesign. The X-Range C15 Direct Drive incorporates a 1.5-liter inline-4 engine capable of producing up to 161 horsepower, along with a dedicated hybrid transmission and 2 electric motors. One motor functions as a generator in parallel or series modes, while the other drives the vehicle, enabling configurations ranging from standard hybrids to extended-range EVs. This system is designed to replace the rear axle motor of a pure BEV and can be combined with a front drive motor for all-wheel drive. Maciej Janini, CEO of Horsepowertrain, stated that the X-Range family of powertrains reflects current market realities, allowing automakers to pivot quickly, reduce time to market, and amortize existing BEV investments. While this approach offers a financially attractive path away from abandoning BEV platforms, experts caution that adapting an EV architecture to accommodate combustion engines is not trivial. Significant engineering hurdles remain concerning packaging constraints, exhaust routing, crash performance validation, and complex firmware communication protocols with OEM systems. The X-Range C15 Direct Drive is scheduled for display at the 2026 Beijing Auto Show. The technology seeks to provide a flexible option for manufacturers navigating the evolving global mobility market.